And the last word of advice when it comes to implementing software would be designate a champion in your company to help with that implementation. It's instead of thinking that whether it's AutoLeap or not, this software provider is going to do it for me. No one's going to do it for you. The software provider is going to be the coach, and the person you designate in your company is going to be the star player. And that coach is going to help that star player achieve all that they can achieve, but they have to be the one on the hook for making that successful within the company.